Hello, I'm Brittany. Here is GD Asian Group. I'll show you our factory. Let's go. Now we come to first step cutting process and digit blanking process. Our works carrying out every procedure strictly. Now we can see the frame of refrigerator in the forming process. The half-finished product goes to assembly line. Works installed all spare parts, then waiting for testing. Our inspector follows production on every working day and does double checking quality. Finally, products sent to warehouse and waiting order. For production process, welcome to GD Asian.